This is my house. That's it. Got all my stuff. My pillow. Comfy air pillow. Got my beanie. It's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. The wind's freaking howling right now. If you can hear it. Well, gonna have to call my trip early. It's raining, hailing. It's gonna be fun going home. Oh well, power down this coffee and energy drink and muscle it out. Well, it's raining. I want to hurry up and get home. Start to roll out. And my tire's flat. So, here we are, standing in the rain. Kind of sleeting. Trying to get home. I don't have any rain gear. Alright, I'm bailing out because it's raining. I was going to stay another day. It's kind of hailing. I don't have any rain gear. Could hide out in my tent, but I only got a 2-man tent, so that's kind of lame. So, heading home. Slippery ground. Super foggy. Cold, getting ice warnings on my bike. It's fun. At least it's not raining. I'll take the cold over the rain at this point. Dang, can't see shit. If I put my visor down, it really can't see shit. But if I have my visor up, then it's freezing. So I'm like alternating back and forth. This is a sure sign that I'm here late season. We're getting ready for the snow. It's nice. Finally getting down below the cloud level. Looks like it's raining over there though. Well, heading out of the mountains. Behind me is where I came from. It's all cloudy and rainy and cold, snowing and crappy. So that's the way I'm heading. Right behind me. It doesn't look too much better. But after I get out of this canyon, it's gonna be super boring. So it's probably it for the day.